Welcome to this transformative meditation designed to awaken your third eye and activate the infinite potential within you. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distraction. Close your eyes and take a deep cleansing breath. Inhale deeply. And as you exhale, release all tension from your body. This is your time to journey inward, to connect with your higher self. Bring your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving as you exhale. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into the present moment. Now let's relax your body. Start at the top of your head and imagine a gentle wave of relaxation washing over you. Feel it move down your forehead, your face, and your neck. Allow your shoulders to soften and your chest to open. The wave flows down your arms, your torso, your legs, and finally your feet. You are completely relaxed, anchored in this peaceful moment. Visualize the center of your brain where your pineal gland resides. Imagine it as a glowing lotus, its petals gently unfolding with each breath. This lotus radiates a golden light, illuminating the space within your mind. See a river of golden energy cascading through the crown of your head, flowing into the pineal gland. This energy brings clarity, awakening, and alignment with the universe. As the light touches your pineal gland, feel it activating, becoming a beacon of radiant energy. We will now use breathwork to stimulate the energy centers in your body and awaken the pineal gland. Take a deep breath in through your nose, imagining the air spiraling up your spine, energizing each chakra as it moves upward. Hold the breath briefly, feeling the energy collect at the center of your brain. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any stagnant energy. Repeat this breath pattern several times. With each inhale, visualize energy rising like a spiraling current. With each exhale, imagine the pineal gland glowing brighter, pulsing with life and light. Now bring your focus to your third eye, located in the middle of your forehead. Imagine it as a vibrant indigo light spinning and radiating outward. Feeling the vibration resonate through your mind and body. With each repetition, sense your third eye emitting and receiving frequencies of love, abundance, and gratitude. This alignment connects you to the infinite quantum field where all possibilities exist. You are in harmony with the universe Visualize yourself as a radiant light being connected to the cosmos. Imagine your third eye as a portal opening to a vast field of infinite potential. See your desires and dreams forming as vivid images, clear and tangible within this field. Feel the emotions of these dreams as if they are already real. Joy, gratitude, and abundance fill every cell of your being. You are creating your reality with intention and clarity. As you remain in this elevated state, repeat these affirmations in your mind or out loud. I am aligned with the infinite intelligence of the universe. Abundance flowing effortlessly into my life. I am deeply grateful for the gifts of my awakened mind. I am open to receiving all the wealth, love, and wisdom meant for me. I am a powerful creator of my reality. I am surrounded by infinite love and boundless possibilities. I am grateful for every moment of beauty and joy in my life. I am worthy of the most abundant and fulfilling life imaginable. I am open to receiving miracles every day. I am love, and love flows to me effortlessly and endlessly. I am deeply connected to the infinite abundance of the universe. I am grateful for the opportunities that align perfectly with my purpose. I am at peace with where I am, and I trust the journey ahead. I am a vessel for gratitude, attracting more blessings with each passing day. I am radiant, and my light inspires others to shine. I am financially free and overflowing with prosperity. I am aligned with the divine flow of love and abundance. I am grateful for the connections that nourish and uplift my soul. I am a magnet for joyful experiences and boundless opportunities. I am deeply appreciative of the love and support surrounding me. I am creating a life of harmony, balance, and wealth. I am the architect of my future, and I choose love and prosperity. I am confident in my ability to manifest my desires with ease. I am worthy of every success and every joy that comes my way. I am grateful for the abundance that flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am immersed in love, gratitude, and infinite possibilities. I am connected to the source of all creation, and my potential is limitless. I am deserving of love, happiness, and all the beauty life has to offer. I am thriving in every area of my life, from love to prosperity. I am grateful for the lessons that guide me toward my highest good. I am empowered, and every step I take is filled with purpose and clarity. I am aligned with the vibration of abundance, attracting wealth effortlessly. I am the creator of my destiny, and I choose love, joy, and gratitude. I am cherished by the universe, and everything I need is already within me. I am inspired, motivated, and driven to create my dream life. I am free of limitations, and my life is a testament to infinite possibilities. I am thankful for the endless love that surrounds and supports me. I am prosperous, and my financial abundance grows daily. I am in harmony with the energy of gratitude, multiplying all that I appreciate. I am filled with peace, joy, and confidence as I step into my power. I am whole, complete, and infinitely loved. I am abundant in health, wealth, love, and happiness. Feel the truth of these words resonate within you. Each affirmation strengthens your connection to the quantum field and anchors your intentions into reality. Gently bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you and the air around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, grounding yourself in the present moment. take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, smile softly, knowing you have activated the infinite potential within you. Carry this sense of alignment and abundance into your daily life. Remember, your third eye is always open to guide you, and your connection to the universe is always present. When you are ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, empowered, and aligned with your highest self.